All right, it's May 12th, and I've got some potatoes to plant, some just yellow potatoes like Yukon Gold, and then some russets. I've only got an 8-foot bed this year, so I think I'm only going to do 8 potato plants because I still have to fit in like onions, garlic, carrots, lettuce, and cabbage. So today the potatoes are ready to go. And then I've also got some lettuce, which I'll be planting out. It's lettuce that I winter sowed in this bucket right here. I'm just going to be taking the tape off. I started this when it was still snowy outside. And yeah, there's some lettuce ready to go. This variety is Little Gem, and then on the other side I have Ice Queen, which didn't do as well. But I'm going to plant these out today, and I think cover them, because it's still going to be about 0 degrees tonight. So yeah, here we go. Just going to dig these few inches down. Okay, that was the Yukon Gold variety. Yeah. And then let's do 4 holes for the russets. Just gonna put those in. Tuck in these roots. These shoots, actually. Alright. Now I'm just going to cover those up. Here's the label in the ground. Alright. I think I'm going to do a row of these, some of these lettuces here. Just going to scoop them out. Just loosen them up a little bit. And just grab a chunk, I think. Alright, I've got a chunk there. Hopefully they survive this transplant. I guess we'll find out. Let's see if I can find another two that are looking a little bit bigger, more established. Like this guy. This one right here. There we go. And maybe the one next to it. Just like that. Probably two here.